Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2018 John Deere Gator XUV 835R Special Edition. It's got the front brush guard, fancier rim and tire package, full hard cab, LED lights, crank down window doors. I'm going to say these tires are around 70%. Rear brush guard. Crank down window doors, tilt assist dump box, the hydraulic system, street legal kit with blinkers. This has got the, looks like AM FM radio with auxiliary in. This machine's got 1,407 hours. 12,187 miles. Pretty decked out. If you've got any questions, you can call us at 406-232-3300.